Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk on how to boost your immunity. Very important subject. To the best of my knowledge, whatever I know, I am just sharing with you because this is very important in the current scenario. Boost your energy, boost your lung power, boost your oxygen level, boost your immunity from within your home, from within your room, on your bed. It's as simple as that. Please follow. I am going to share with you two mantras that I know. One, deep breathing. Deep breathing is the best mantra, is the top thing. Number two, meditation. We'll discuss both of these to the best of my knowledge. Well, deep breathing is extremely important. We have before that, let me tell you that there is one nerve which connects our gut and brain. That is vagus nerve. If we activate that vagus nerve, that activates in our system the feeling of happiness. It filters out the bad feelings. It filters out your bad moments, bad food, bad thoughts, bad places you visited. All that is filtered out and you remember only good things. So let's catch the hand of our friend vagus nerve. How do we activate the vagus nerve? Deep breath. Now, in breathing, you have abdominal breathing, diaphragmatic breathing, and thoracic breathing. Diaphragm acts like this. This is the diaphragm. When we breathe, it flattens out. When it flattens, it compresses your abdomen area, the lower area, and it massages all the parts inside your bladder, your gallbladder, your intestines, your stomach, your kidney, your liver. Everything is massaged. And when you breathe out, it works like a piston. Comes like this. And it massages your heart, your lungs, your upper part of the esophagus, all that. And see how does it work. Now this is the massaging taking place within your system. Second, you do this abdominal breathing. Now before that, let me tell you, our system is such a beautiful system, but we are not using it. It's a hi-fi computer that you buy, your family buys the best computer in the world, which has got such tremendous power, but you use only this bit of power. Same thing with us. We are using only 30% of our lung capacity. Remember, 70% of your lung capacity is lying unused because you do not tap that. Because you have formed a habit of using only that much. So today we will discuss how to boost your lung power. Expand, open up. Now, first we will do abdominal breathing. Take a deep breath. Expand your tummy as if you are blowing a balloon. Give another puff. And hold if you can for 5 seconds, 5 counts, and then release. We come to thoracic breathing. Your rib cage and your sides of the rib cage, your clavicles, all need to be filled up. Fill it up. Expand. Keep your hand on the chest and see how it. Keep your hand here and see how your elbow moves. Raise your clavicles also. Breathe as much as you can. And then do the simple exercises like raise your shoulder while breathing in. Touch your ears with your shoulder. And then drop. Drop with a ha. This is shoulder lifts. Then do shoulder pumps. How? Take a deep breath. Hold your breath. Do it again. Hold your breath. Sorry, you have to hold your breath. These exercises. And then you can also do simple exercises. Pranayam is very important. In pranayam, you can do Nadi Shodhan. Nadi Shodhan, how do you do? Hold your right hand thumb and these two fingers on your between the eyebrows, one on your left nose, and breathe in for a count of 4, then hold for a count of 4, then breathe out for a count of 6 on the other nostril. Now breathing in from the left nostril, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, breathe out from the other nostril. Now breathe in from this right nostril, hold for count of 4 and breathe out for a count of 6. Your spine should be erect and your head should be back of the neck and spine, they should all be in a straight line. Shoulders down and back. Second exercise, Bhastrika. Hold your hands like this, fist closed, this elbows touching the left and right of your rib cage, and raise while breathing in, raise your hands, and then when you come down, breathe out and bring your when your navel should be as pulled in as possible. Do this for a count of 20. If you can repeat it 2-3 times, very good. Now, third exercise is the breathing. Take a deep breath. And breathe out from your mouth as if you are with your pursed lips. Breathe in for a count of 4, hold for a count of 4 if possible, otherwise don't hold. And then breathe out for a count of 6. This is a wonderful exercise. Please do this. If you can't do anything else, do at least this. Because this will calm you down, This will help you in insomnia also. If you can't sleep, just do this exercise. Breathe in and breathe out through your mouth with pursed lips, as if you are blowing into a straw or whistling. And another exercise I want to tell you, Bhastrika, no, sorry, Bhramari. Bhramari. Breathe in and make humming sound as long as possible with the vibrations in your head. And do this 5 times. Now this video is becoming long. I'll come back to you with some exercises. Thank you. All the best.